My channel Academy IS. Today is the continuations of our series Simplifying Sociology Thinkers. In the last one, we did Emile Durkheim. This is the part two, and this is all by Priyanka by Academic IS. So, what is special in this series? You will get the conceptual clarity of each thinkers. Its PIQs is theirs and mind maps, diagrams, and latest examples so that you can use in your papers. These mind maps, diagrams, and latest examples yeah, can be quite useful to write a good answer for the thinkers and to apply the theories of the thinkers. It is very important to a very good clarity of the concept given by the thinker. So the conceptual clarity is much more important. So let's see. In this part two, I am going to cover the theory of given by Emile Durkheim and the theories that is division of labor. This is the most important theory and that Emile Durkheim had provided. And through these theories, Emile Durkheim want to provide the answer of some questions. And what is the questions? That is, how does society remain united? Okay. See, in every sociology thinkers, the intentions behind the theories is basically to provide the answer of some questions that I already talked in the Karl Marx videos. So let's see how and what is provided in this theory. And see, here we'll see that two kind of solidarity will be there: mechanical solidarity and another will be organic solidarity. Um, in traditional society, people perform similar work, and it result in mechanical solidarity. Let's move to the next slide. And in modern society, people perform specialized work. In the modern society, there is much more specializations of the work of each work. If you can observe your society, you can easily check it, and it result in organic solidarity. See, in traditional society, it is mechanical solidarity because it has the similarity. The similar work is theirs. No such specialization is theirs. And in modern society, it is organic solidarities that goes to the interdependence because much more specializations is going on there. So let's see what is the characteristic features of this mechanical solidarity. Mechanical solidarity, as I already talked, it has the similarity of the work. Collective conscience is there. Collectivism is theirs. Low specializations. People are not that much specialized. Example is village economy. If you go to the village, you will observe that people are doing the work in the very traditional way, and some of the ancient way. And as the work is not that much specialized, there is not much more division of labor, and that's why no such not that much interdependence of on one another that you can understand in the next slide. Well, I will provide a good example, right? And that's why when you don't depend on many peoples, you will have a very small circle, and that will make you a very much collective consciousness that we are almost all are similar, we are all connected because the work is not that much what's it divided. Work is that much that not much separated. So this is the mechanical solidarity. And in and next is organic solidarity. In organic solidarity, the characteristic is specializations. As I already talked, in modern society, the every and each work is specialized. Experts is theirs, so there is much more interdependence is theirs. Suppose, suppose if you go to the a big clinic or hospitals in a city, will see there is specializations for each mm, abo- uh, things. Experts is theirs, right? So, so this is what is happened. You will get much more varieties, much more expertise. So that's why they depend they depend much more on each another, because a person will be expertise in a in a very specific one, and that person will do that specific task only. But in the mechanical solidarity, the person might have handling the big chain of the work will be done by that same or one person. But here, as the work is much more divided on the basis of the specialization and expertise, the work will be handed, there will be many more expertise on the chain of work. Yeah. So many people will sitting there on the chain of the work, and one work will be passed over to the another expertise. So only, so this kind of there is interdependence will be very much. So this kind of solidarity present in the modern city. Okay, so what I am saying that let's understand this organic solidarity with some current examples taken in the society. That is, in a hospital, in a big clinic, hospitals, you will see doctors. Here, the diagrams is showing the doctors, but you will see there is much more specialized, much more expertise of the doctors, right? Someone is eyes, nose, teeth, and many more. And even in nowadays, there is much more specific expertise is coming um, on the field. That if it requires in this problem to be solved, then you go to the uh, good expertise of this person. So this kind of skills demands is going on in the modern society. And and so much more specialized and expertised persons is coming as per the demand of the skills in the society. So in the hospital, we see doctors, many various types of doctors, and they are dependent on the nurse. They are not doing the tasks of the nurse. They do that are, you might have known what are the tasks a nurse do. So, and nurse don't do the task of staff who do the cleanings and other things, carrying files and all things. And there are some technicians who handling the technical work, such as, you will see if you go to the receptionist, you will see someone taking the records of that all other activities that is going on in the laptop, in the system. There will be pharmacist, where a person will give you that medicines as per the prescriptions given by the doctor. So, and yes, there will be a gatekeeper. So also you will see that the chain of work and the varieties and expertise of persons that is recruited to you in in a system to work. And you will see how they are dependent on each others, because the work is divided on each person. A doctor will not do the work of a nurse. And the nurse will not do the work of a technician, and technician will not do the work of a pharmacist, and so on. So this is the organic solidarity. This one is covered. Now we are coming to the next theory, um, given by Durkheim. That is anomie. So see, it is one of the my favorite concept of UPSC. So let's understand what is anomie. Anomie's definitions means normlessness, a breakdown of social regulation. So when this anomie comes when the rapid social changes occur, economic crisis occur, social disruptions is there. So as we can see that the word itself saying normlessness. So there will be some kind of changes, crisis, disruptions, whether in forms of society, economy. Uh, these things happen. The anomie will happen. Let's see with the example. The anomie example can be job loss, economic crisis, economic recessions. This is the economic crisis, sudden wealth. The anomie, it can be positive and the negative. This is the negative and the positive. Social media based pressure. This is a sudden change. So let's see with the example, some contemporary examples. What is anomie? Nowadays, people can, if you following the newspapers and other things, there is concept of AI automation. So that AI will takes place some of many works in the economy that is very much technical. So what will happen? There will be job loss will be there. So what is the reason and what how it's AI automation is a technology change that is this technology bringing some impact, and this impact is negative. um, it will create job uncertainty. People who used to do that work might have been replaced by the AI. Job loss is there, and this kind of situations is called anomie. So this is all uh, anomie concept. um, So if you want to get the PDF of this lecture, join my Telegram channel. I will update it soon in the description link, and comment PDF or whatever. And let me know which theory interests you more, or which theories worried you more. And if it helps, do subscribe and share with those people who have the sociology optional, so that they can get benefited. So today I covered two theory, division of labor and the anomie, and there is two more theory left that is much more important, that I will cover in the, another video, because it will be lengthy enough. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.